Hey guys, it's back with another video with Alyssa and
Kelly.
So, we're going to start a squishy thing. And there's also going to be one slime, just one. Wave to the camera, say hi, Kelly.
Hi.
Put your hand down there, say hi. So, yeah. One slime and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have categories. We have the stack category, we have the animal category, and we have the food category. So, I'm going to start with the animal category. So, this is just a unicorn. It's not very slow rising at all, or satisfying, but you know. It's cool. Yeah, there's that. Second of the animal category, it's a wolf. I like this one, but it has a few cracks in it. Well, not just a few, a lot, because it's very old. Is it still doing? Because I'm not looking at it.
Yeah, it's still going.
Okay, guys, that's one of them. And then there's also... Callie, do you want to squish this one in front of the camera?
Yes.
Okay, you got to show the camera. Keep squishing that one until I find the cookie, okay? Found the cookie. Okay. Okay. Time for the next one. So as you can see... Let's go over them again. This one. There's this one. And this one. Yeah. There's that category is done. Time for the stack category. First one is a stack of rainbow cotton candy poops. I wouldn't call it rainbow, but you know, it's very slow rising. They all have different faces. CPR on the squishy. CPR. Okay, so the cat is next because it's a part of the stack category. Time for this. This is only 2 cats. And then there's that one. Here's both ways, down, upside down, that way. Cool. Cool. There you go. Hope you guys like that one. Time for the food category. First, we have a roll. It's pink. It does have an air pocket, I am going to admit. Right here, it does have an air pocket. Right there. I can squish it in. I have to admit that. There you go. There you go. Next one is a cookie, which I was trying to find earlier. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. It's really cool. Smells like cookies. Next one is not very great. It's from literally from the dollar store. It's a banana. And there's it that way too. And there's it that way, that way, that way, and then finally the normal way, which is that. Sorry, my hands aren't coming from here. They're coming from here because I'm sitting right there, not right there. That's the thing. So, next one. This one I got from an arcade place, so it's very airy. I still like it though, because it's pretty cool. Here it is for you guys that way. Here it is for you guys that way, and that way. Next one is a cake, which is very old, so don't judge it. Boop, 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 boop. All oranges, boop, boop. All blues, boop, boop, boop. All yellows, boop, boop. All green, boop, 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 boop. There you go. Time for the slime. I just flew it across. Let's try again. Woo! Oh. Okay, time to take that out. This is one of my favorite parts. That boy out there. Sorry, I was singing. How does it feel? How do you feel? Trying to make a fool of me.